Who knew that the most magical vacation on earth could be downright scary? As an adult, no one prepares you for all the frightening, funny things that could possibly happen on a Disney vacation. That is, until now. I'll be covering 13 scary frights, everything from little spooks to the downright terrifying, with the rare case of death. Number 1, finding out that none of the discounts that could possibly apply to your trip actually apply, so you end up with a huge sticker shock. And I don't know about you, but a huge sticker shock is always frightening to me. Number 2, this is before your vacation even starts. And at the end of the day, it's pretty terrifying. At least it is for me, and I would imagine for most other parents, is that you get up, you're 60 days out before your trip, and you're trying to book reservations, and all of them are sold out. Number 3, if you're staying at a lower tier hotel, you get to your hotel only to find out you're on the 3rd floor. And not only are you on the 3rd floor, there's no elevator. And now I'm the one stuck carrying everything up all of these stairs. Number 4 is you find out that your favorite ride is on refurb or shuts down for the entire day that you're going to a park. This one doesn't happen all the time, but I guarantee you it's going to happen to at least one ride on your stay. Something always goes down. Number 5, having to get out of line early. This really probably only applies to most adults, but it's like after standing in a line for an hour, and then your kids go, I want to go do something else. And you're like, but we've stood in this line for an hour. Why do you want to get out of line? But you still get out of line. That's terrifying. If you've made it this far in the video, you must be like me and an absolute Disney addict. If so, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out for this channel to keep growing, so I keep making videos just like this. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It's going to help this video reach more people that they might think is entertaining. But for now, back to the video. Number 6, standing in line to meet your favorite characters only for them to go on break as soon as you reach the front of the line. Number 7, this one happens more often than you think, but forgetting your poncho and it storms the day that you're in the parks. Number 8, it's either rained or you've just gotten off a water ride, you didn't bring any extra socks, and now you're walking around all day in wet, soggy socks. That one is murder. Number 9, an absolute terrifying one, is dropping your phone on a ride and then not being able to get it back. Disney is infamous for you lose an item, you probably won't get it back. Number 10, getting stuck on a ride and then having to be evac'd off that ride. This doesn't happen to everyone, but if you get stuck on a strange point of a ride, say it's Space Mountain, and you're on a point, maybe it's just over the edge of a drop, you're gonna have to be evac'd, and it's not fun. Number 11, for all the parents out there, this might be one of the scariest of all, and that's your kids refusing to take a nap because why would they? We're at Disney World. I'm not going to sleep, Mom. But the thing is, they're gonna be cranky by the end of the day. Number 12, your kids constantly asking for souvenirs and toys. Like all day, every day, I want this, I want that. Like, I get it, we're at Disney, it's new, you haven't been here in a while, like, but please stop asking me for things, because I might go crazy. And number 13, here is your rare case of death. You get on Haunted Mansion just for another one of your favorite rides. You're going through, and then all of a sudden, the cart, either to your left or right or in front of you, starts dropping something on the floor. What could that be? And then all of a sudden, the ride shuts down, lights come on, and there it is. They're holding an urn, and they're spreading the ashes of a beloved one. Yeah, that's pretty terrifying. Happens probably more often than you think, but they have to shut the ride down completely for a great amount of time so they can have people come in and clean the rides. So please, people, just don't do it. Things are always happening at the Disney parks. Sometimes, yes, it could be scary, but for the most part, it's pretty magical, and each trip ends up being completely unique because of it. To make this happen, Disney is constantly on the cutting edge of technology and expansion. just like this leaked expansion that will change the face of every single Disney trip that you have in the very near future. That's all for this one. Go out, guys. Be you, be great, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.